Hello everyone, I'm Shalza, your computer teacher. Today we are going to discuss about e-reservation. What is e-reservation? Everyone knows about it. Wherever e comes, that means it stands for electronic. Here e-reservation stands for electronic reservation. What does that mean? Like making reservations of tickets or hotel rooms or tourist packages etc. through internet is known as e-reservation. Like whether you wanted to book hotel rooms, whether you wanted to book air tickets, whether you wanted to book railway tickets, whatever, if you book these kind of tickets online, that kind of online ticketing process, e-ticketing process is known as e-reservation. Let's discuss e-reservation in little detail. So, you can define e-reservation like this as well, like e-reservation or online reservation as the process of determining the availability of tickets or rooms etc. online and making reservation through electronic means via internet. Like we have already discussed, it is the process of determining the availability of tickets or rooms etc. online, making reservation through the electronic means via internet. Means you need not personally go to an office or counter to book or reserve railway or airways tickets, hotel rooms, tourist packages etc. Means you need not to be physically present over there. Okay, what you can do is you can book these kind of tickets online. This feature is known as the e-reservation feature. Fine. So now we are going to discuss about benefits of e-reservation. There are many benefits of e-reservation. We are going to discuss some of them. Like we are talking about safety, ease, available anywhere, means easy availability, and fast. Now we are going to discuss these benefits in little detail. Now we will talk about the first benefit of e-reservation, which is safety. Like while booking e-ticket, you directly store your details in company's databases. Like when you start booking your e-ticket, in the end you submit your details. At the time of submission, your details are getting saved into company's databases, which is quite safe and reliable to make changes, to make cancellations or any kind of annotations, as all these take place inside the secure electronic database. Means when we work like when we book anything online, when we book any e-ticket for anything like airways, hotels, for anything, at that particular time the cancellation is very easy, because at the time of cancellation you need not to be like visit any of such places. You need your laptop or computer or mobile phone with your internet connection. That is it. After that you can cancel your e-ticket. Fine. So it is very safe, it is easy as well with the help of e-reservation. Now we'll talk about the second benefit, which is ease. E-ticket can be purchased online and printed at home. That means theft or loss of the printed e-ticket is not a worry. It can be easily recreated and printed. Like once you have purchased the e-ticket, you can take the prints of that e-ticket as many times as you want. For example, you can, while before traveling, you can have 2 or 3 printouts of the same e-ticket. If any loss of any of the ticket is there, there is no need to worry. If you don't have any of the physical tickets, then also there is no need to worry, because you can show your mobile phone where that particular e-ticket is present. Okay, you can show the soft copy of your e-ticket as well, and you can even you can show the message of that e-ticket as well. Okay, that is considered as your original ticket. So it is very easy. Now we'll talk about the third benefit of e-reservation, that is available anywhere. Like buying an e-ticket is simpler and faster. One can buy e-ticket anywhere where there is an internet connection. I hope this is clear to everyone. If you wanted to buy any e-ticket, what is the requirement? You should have the internet connection, and at any of the places where you have this kind of availability, you can go for buying a e-ticket. Now we'll talk about the fourth benefit of e-reservation, which is fast. What does it mean? Like e-tickets cut on manual time. Like if you went manually to such place and go and buy some kind of ticket, it will take lots of time. Fine. And the best price and the best route availability, as these are made available by the website offerings, the e-ticket system. Like what is the best part of it? Like the like these kind of websites tell you about the best pricing. For example, you wanted to have air ticket from Delhi to Bangalore, so the site will guide you about the best prices which are available for this route. Fine, so this saves on your time, and they will provide you the best facility and best price as well. So this is a very fast process comparatively to the old system, like when you need to be when these things done needed to be done manually. Now we will talk about the application areas of e-reservation. Like the e-reservation process is used in many areas. The most common application areas of e-reservation are listed below. Like for travel tickets, one can e-reserve tickets for train level, air-based level, or from different sites that provide with this facility. Like we can book our travel tickets. Second is hotel rooms. Using e-reservation, one can reserve rooms in different hotels. Third one is sport matches. Using e-reservation, one can buy tickets for matches of different sports. For example, you wanted to book e-tickets for a cricket match, so you can go online and can book the tickets easily. And fourth one is movies and theater. Using e-reservation, we can also buy e-tickets for movie shows or a theater play using sites and apps like Book My Shows. So there are a number of apps which provides this facility for booking movies or the theater shows. Okay, so this just take a fraction of seconds for the booking. After this, we have like we use this facility in events as well. Like using e-reservation, you can buy tickets for events such as exhibitions, fairs, and live performances, etc. Like if you wanted to book the tickets for any such kind of events, you can book online. Now you can see this is the snapshot of the site Book My Show. I hope this icon is visible to everyone. Fine. So if you wanted to book any of the like movie ticket, any event ticket, any sports ticket, sports event ticket, so you need to visit the site and you can book your ticket over here. Fine. Now this is the snapshot for Make My Trip site. So here what you can do is, if you wanted to book any air ticket, wanted to book any railway ticket, or wanted to book like hotels, you can book here on this particular site. Now we'll talk about the e-reservation process. To buy e-ticket, you need to fulfill two requirements. First one is access to the internet, means you need internet connection. Second one is online payment facility, which could be with the help of credit card, with the help of debit card, or with the help of UPI payment process. Okay, any mode could be there. So you need two things. One is the access to the internet, second is the online payment facility. After fulfilling the requirements, one can book the e-ticket as follows. Like what is the procedure to book any e-ticket? First of all, what you need to do is you need to log in into the site that provides the online booking system. For example, if you wanted to book any movie ticket, any play ticket, or any match ticket, you need to visit bookmyshow.com, this website, for booking such tickets. If you wanted to book the travel tickets, then you need to visit the site makemytrip.com. If you wanted to book the hotel tickets, then also you need to visit these sites like cleartrip.com, makemytrip.com. After that, you need to provide your details, like which day you wanted to book for, like for which time you wanted to start with, and which kind of seat you require. These depends upon the different things. For example, if you wanted to book any air ticket, then you need to define the day for that particular air ticket, that particular flight that application will show you the number of flights available on that particular day and different timing. You can choose your day and time and go further. Like if you are booking any ticket for movie, play or match, then you need to select your sitting type, like which sitting type is preferable. You can choose that sitting type and go further. The website will display the available choices. Make a choice and confirm by submitting your detail. After this, the moment you submit, your details you entered get recorded in several computer databases and ticket reservation is confirmed. The ticketing system has access to these databases. Fine. So after this, the fifth point is make payment as per the directions of the website, whether it is with the help of credit card, debit card, with the help of UPI apps, with the help of any kind of other system is preferable over that particular site. As per the site directions, you need to make a payment. Fine. After the e-payment is processed, the website will show the e-ticket on the screen, which you can print or save, like for your further use. And you can you also receive one copy of that particular e-ticket on your email ID. Fine. So that in future you can get a copy from there as well. I hope this is clear to everyone. Thank you so much.